Hey everybody, welcome back to the universe. Mike here, and today we've got the Wolfbox Superpower TurboFan MegaFlow 100. This thing is so cool. I can't believe how popular these got over recent, I guess the past year. There's quite a few on the market. I watched a review and they did like 10 or 12 of these. I think it was Torque Test Channel. Those guys are pretty cool over there. And this thing came out on top. It was on sale, Amazon. I think I paid 70 something bucks for it. And wow, just wow. I mean, you don't realize how much you need one of these things until you get it and realize all the uses that you can do with it, from from just dusting something off to, I don't know, blowing dog hair out the back door. So it's pretty cool. So here's the box. Comes with the instruction set, multi-language, as well as the basics of this. I'll explain something when I open it. So you see here the fluff here. It has multiple nozzles. We'll get to the device first, then I'll get to the nozzles. I have had this out before, but I'm doing this for your viewing pleasure. So on the back here, there are 3 little dots, little buttons, and this was a little trick. You need to hold your finger down on this for a while before that turns on. At first I was like just pushing it and letting it go. That's in like psycho mode, and then if you push it again it goes into like medium mode and then low mode. Low mode is good for, they advertise around 100 minutes, and I did test it and I'll include it in this video, and it does 100 minutes. It does work. So it's at low level, and I'm going to turn on right now and give you a little sound, let you know how that is. And it's flowing pretty good. That's low. And then I'm going to kick that up on 3. We'll go to 2, and then you could hold it. You don't need to hold the button, but you can see and hear it gets pretty violent. And then 3 is like the end of the world with this thing. So 3, you have to hold your finger down on the button. It will not auto run with just one push. So here we go. Let me tell you, that thing's got some chutzpah to it. It really cruises. I'm so impressed with this thing. I'm really enjoying it. I find myself outside and I'm like, oh, there's some stuff in the grill. Bang! Just get rid of it. It leaves underneath the engine compartment in my truck. Boom! Gone. It's just having this little portable high torque device that can, I don't even know what the CFM is. I think it's over 100,000. It's really wild. All right, so back to the unveiling of what's in the box here. Different nozzles, and of course, the more you taper a nozzle, the more velocity you're going to get out of something. I like this one. It looks like a little Apollo 11 capsule. That one's pretty cool. The one that comes on as standard is pretty wide open, and the way you change them is, it's a simple twist. You twist that off and it comes off, and then twist it back on and it comes back on. So there are a few, including this little flat one here. This one here, I was interested in a nozzle. I was like, what would you use that for? This is great for like blowing up like pool toys, or your overnight sleeper, whatever, if you're camping, any of these. So very cool and generous with the amount of tips. A lanyard, and then I'm gonna turn this off. And then you have this little care box here, and in this box you get a pouch that says, hey, Wolfbox. And then inside the pouch is like a little broom, and then like a duster for like lenses. And that's another thing for you content creators out there, getting dust on a lens. If you have your camera here and you open this up and you want to wipe it, this thing takes care of that in seconds. You don't need to wipe anything. Just put this thing on, put it on something low and hit it, and boom, no dust, gone. It's awesome. So that was like another immediate use I found for it, was just blowing dust off my lenses. I can't speak. I really never thought I would ever in my life have a need for something like this. I'm telling you, I found so many uses for it. So this is the Wolfbox. Again, Amazon is your friend. I'm not sponsored by this company. I don't know them from Adam, but what a great little device. And it's got some weight to it. You know it's a quality product. It's got this rubberized texture on both sides. I can't say enough about it. So I highly recommend you pick one up. And it is high-tech, shiny, and cool. So, with that, I'll include some video on the duration of the battery life, that 100-minute statement that I have heard and made. I don't know if I've read it anywhere, but I think I heard it somewhere. And then I'll add some footage just for messing around in the backyard. All right, hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and we'll go to the next step. So we're going to test it. It's supposed to be 100 minutes on low. It's on low, 1 dot. Here's my timer, and go. Make it. Oh man, almost made it. You know what? I'm gonna call it 100 because I was playing with it for probably about a minute or two before I turned it on. So look at that! Wow, impressive. Cool. So I have the Wolfbox outside. That's some harmless dirt, and I'm about 4 feet away from it. That's from there. And if I get closer, does some damage, man. I mean, for a little portable in your pocket, unbelievable. That's good to just friends are coming over. They're gonna hang out on your patio. Let's trade some stuff off. There you go. You get the point. All right, cool. Again, I can't recommend it enough. The Wolfbox. It's good stuff. All right. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing and test of the Wolfbox Super Power TurboFan MegaFlow 100. It's a pretty awesome device. Please like and subscribe. Thumbs up. Every little bit helps. We're brand new at this, so we're going to keep going and bring more products and some travel. And we got a lot coming up. So thanks for watching. Bye.